How do I replace the desiccant when it has reached the end of its service life? Here on the example of the SDBL, we can show you that the material is orange. That means it has to be replaced. We offer maintenance kits that can be used for this. The maintenance kit contains all the spare parts required for servicing the breather.
Das Wartungskit enthält alle notwendigen Ersatzteile, welche wir zum Warten des Belüfters benötigen. Wir haben hier zum einen
First,
das
we have the desiccant here. Then there are the filter discs, the corresponding air filter element that has to be replaced. And we have a sticker for resealing the underneath of the assembly after the service. Then we have the corresponding threaded protection caps. One for the series with external thread and one for the series with internal thread, like this SDBL here. When we've opened the cover, we remove the used filter element and place it in a container. Then we remove the used filter disc and also place it in there. Then we pour the saturated desiccant that is no longer required into the container as well.
Entsprechende Trockenmaterial, was wir nicht mehr benötigen, in diesen Behälter rein.
Then we can insert a screwdriver or other tool through the holes in the bottom to push the remaining filter disc upwards and remove it.
Die verbleibende Filterscheibe nach oben schieben. Sie hinterher entnehmen zu können.
When the filter disc has been removed, I can insert the new filter disc.
Die nächste Filterscheibe wieder einsetzen.
Then I have to check the housing for damage. I take my tool again and push the filter disc down until it rests on the base.
Und schiebe die Filterscheibe entsprechend nach unten, bis sie wieder unten anliegt am Boden.
Then I take a threaded protection cap to seal the central tube in the center. Then I take just a standard sheet of paper, roll it into a cylinder shape, and place it into the breather. I can use a paper clip to secure this if necessary. After opening the container with the desiccant, I can now use this funnel that we just made to fill in the new desiccant.
Über den entsprechenden Trichter, den wir gerade geformt haben, hier entsprechend einfüllen.
Then I remove the funnel.
Nach dem Einfüllen entnehme ich den Trichter.
Afterwards, I remove the threaded protection cap and set it aside. Now, I place the second filter element on the top and press it down firmly. I take the new air filter insert and press it into its seat, and then screw the cover back on. Finally, I screw in the threaded protection cap so no air can enter here, which would already contaminate and saturate the material during storage. I used the sticker to seal the holes. The breather is now as new and can be stored until it's needed again.